Hello friends, welcome to the channel Discover Apps with me. In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you fix your YouTube sound not working. If you are facing a problem of your YouTube video sound not working or you are not be able to hear the sound of videos, then I am going to show you how can you fix it. For this you have to go to your mobile settings and you have to go to the sounds and vibration. From here you have to make sure that your media volume is full. If it is low, then you have to full it. You can adjust the other volume option from here as well. Now you have to come back and open the app management settings and go to the app settings. Now scroll down towards the bottom and open the YouTube. From there you have to go to the storage and cache and clear all the cache. You can see the option in the bottom right corner. After this you will be able to hear the sound of your YouTube videos. I hope you can understand my explanation, but still if you have any question, please mention in the comments and don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.